Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is going to be on the Suzuki Grand Vitara. Okay, so this is basically an Indian manufactured car. It is a Japanese but manufactured in India and then exported to Dubai for further sales. So let's see what this car has to offer. By the way, this is my very first Suzuki car that I'll be driving in Dubai. So let's see what is the kind of experience, how this vehicle performs, and let's begin with the vlog.
Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking it. It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you, yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Okay guys, so let's begin with the vlog. So this is the Suzuki Grand Vitara, the big daddy of all the SUVs in the Suzuki lineup only. Okay, I'm not talking about any other brand, I'm talking only and only about the Suzuki. Okay, so this is the full size SUV that Suzuki had ever made, the best SUV or the best vehicle that is there in their lineup. In India, this is sold through the Nexa dealership, but over here in Dubai, it's sold through one dealership only. Okay, all the vehicles are sold through one dealership, and that's through Al Rastamani Trading Company. They don't have any luxury brand or luxury segment just like Nexa, but they have the normal brand which is known as the Suzuki. So let's start from the very beginning. Okay, so this is the front of the vehicle, gives the SUV looks because it is an SUV. Okay, so this is all the chrome that is there over here. Okay, then you have the Suzuki logo which is provided, then all the chrome. Okay, so that's a very nice thing because as you know, I love chrome a lot. Okay, then you have this DRLs which are three split into. Okay, here you have the headlight, along with that you get the fog light also. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Headlight also is placed down as well as the fog light. Okay, now but the fog light is actually in okay, it's an LED, it's not a halogen, so that's a very nice thing. Keep it up by Maruti. Okay, then over here you have the skid plate which they have provided, all the silver skid plate, so that looks very nice. Over here there is the number plate housing also which is provided. Over here you have one 360-degree camera also which they have provided. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so this is a 360-degree camera, so 360-degree camera will be on when you're driving the vehicle. Okay, so this is the massive Suzuki logo. Then you have all this grill. Okay, not a very big one, but yes, functional grill so that the air passes by. Here also you have some air intake so that the radiator and the condenser remains cool. Okay, so overall from the front gives a SUV macho look because it is an SUV by Maruti. Okay, I will not say it's a Maruti, it's basically a Suzuki over here. It is basically a little bit expensive than India. Okay, so let's go under the hood of the vehicle as well. Okay guys, so let's get under the hood of the vehicle also. So I have opened the hood over here, but one very disappointing thing is that there are no hydraulics. Okay, so you have to use this dandi only. As always, Maruti Suzuki, they are trying to do cost cutting. Okay, it's a Maruti, so that's the reason cost cutting will happen. Okay, so this is the engine bay of the vehicle. It is a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine which produces around 102 bhp at 230 newton meters of torque. Along with that, it gets a mild hybrid system as well, so little bit efficient when it comes to going outside. Okay, when it's going to be drive, that is the time you're going to get little bit better performance, and of course if it's a mild hybrid, then better mileage. Okay, so the mileage that is expected is around 16 to 17 kilometers per liter, but real time it might vary up and down. Okay, so expect around 15k kilometers per liter, so that's a very nice thing if you're considering it a 1.5 liter and that too an SUV. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Okay, so here you have all the battery components and all, and if you see, then the engine bay looks little bit empty over here. Okay, so it doesn't look like that filled up because these are Marutis, so I guess they're trying to do some cost cutting or something, but should be on the better side. Okay, when it comes to efficiency. Okay, so that was the engine bay, and here this is basically the insulation. Okay, so insulation also is provided, so that's a very nice thing. So Maruti is giving you at least something or the other in their vehicles. Okay guys, so let's get to the side profile of the vehicle also. So this is basically the sub compact SUV which they have made. Okay, from Maruti it's a full size SUV, but actually it's a sub compact crossover SUV which they have given. Looks actually quite nice with the bolder macho design. Okay, so let's start from here. So this is basically the tire and the alloy, and it gets a 215/60 R 17-inch alloy wheel, and the alloy wheel actually also is in dual tone. Okay, and the tire is by Apollo and it's manufactured in India. Okay, so that's a very nice thing that Maruti also is trying to keep the Indian products only. And over there you have one massive rotor also which is there, so looks actually quite nice. Okay, it will help in performance and braking. Okay, then you have all this gliding also which they have provided. Every time they provide some gliding because it represents their SUV macho look. Looks actually very nice. Okay, then over here they have this mirror. Now this mirror actually is in glossy back which they have provided. Along with that there is the indicator, and you have the 360-degree parking camera also. Okay, so that's a very nice thing, but the same mirror, everything looks the same because it is an Indian product, so they're using the same thing, so nothing changed in their mirrors and all, so can't say anything about that. Okay, then you have all this chrome garnish also which they have provided. Okay, and it's from OEM factory. Okay, very nice thing. Then this is the door handle, and along with this you get the sensors also. So these are the request sensors, both the sides there are two, so hands up for Maruti, and Maruti always gives even in their Indian cars also, so that's a very nice thing. Okay, over here back also they have the handle, but there are no sensors, there is no chrome, so little bit disappointing on the side. Back over here you have the rear tire and the alloy also, which looks actually very nice. Okay, the same tire and the alloy. Okay, and you have the third quarter panel also which they have provided. Little bit of design over here in silver, that looks very nice. Okay, on top you have the roof rail, okay, in silver, and you have a shark fin antenna also which is in piano black. Okay, so that looks very nice. Okay guys, so let's get in the interior of the vehicle also. So request sensor over here. I was trying to shoot the other side because there is a vehicle parked, but we can open it from here also. So this is the request sensor. Along with that there is one key fob also, just like India. That's a very nice thing, but no chrome handle, little bit disappointed. So if you open this, yes, another Maruti door. Doesn't feel heavy at all, just the same like India only. Then you have all these hard plastics. Okay, hard plastic means hard plastic because this is a Maruti, so don't expect much. Here a little bit of leather finish which they have given. Okay, all this artificial leather, glossy black, that's a very nice thing. Okay, you have all this window roll up and down and all, and only this is auto, the rest are all manually operated. This also silver garnish. Okay, chrome door opener. Okay, then along with that one bottle holder. That's a very nice thing because it's a little bit longer one. Okay, little bit deeper also, so looks very nice. Then you have one speaker placement also which they have provided, so that's a very nice thing. This is the interior of the vehicle, guys. Now please don't mind because there are all these plastics and all which they have provided. Okay, so you know it will be a little bit difficult for you to see because these are all test drive vehicles, so I don't want to mess it up with it. Let's keep it like that only. Okay, here if you see, then these are the seats. Okay, and here there is height adjustable. Okay, you can bring it up and down also, very nice thing. No electric seats, so you have to manually bring it front and forward. Okay, then over here on this carpet they say Grand Vitara. Okay, little bit of warning signs and all are there, so we'll just skip this over here. So let's get inside the vehicle as well. Okay guys, so finally in the interior of the vehicle also, and first impression about the interior. Okay, looks very premium, looks way better. Okay, much better in terms of India. Then definitely this is a subcompact luxury. Okay, subcompact SUV, along with that a subcompact luxury also because it has really nice features. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. So we'll start on the steering wheel over here. So this is the steering wheel, it is stitched also. Okay, so a lot of stitchings are there on the steering wheel. Here this is the volume control, these are the cruise control. Okay, there is no ADAS and all which is being offered, but at least these things are there, so it's a very nice thing because cruise control is there. Then there are paddle shifters. Okay, that's a very nice thing because paddle shifters also make a huge difference over here. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Then you have this Bluetooth controls over here, so that you can use your Bluetooth controls. Then you have over here the 360-degree parking camera, heads up display. Okay, this is to increase or decrease the light. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Here you have the headlight adjustment as well, which they have provided. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Then over here you have the AC blowers. Okay, along with that it has this blacked out finish. Okay, so that gives a very nice feeling to it. Okay, and this is basically the meter of the vehicle. Okay, so looks very nice. Now there is this heads up display also. So this heads up display, now it works with the sensor only. I'm to say when the car works now only then it opens. So there is this start stop button also, so I will press this and let's start with the vehicle. Okay, little bit. Yeah, but this is the vehicle has started over here, but the heads up display is not gone up. Okay, heads up display has not yet started because we have not started with the vehicle. Okay, so when you drive it will go. Here you have one 360-degree camera also which has started. So when you start the vehicle it will give a 360 complete view. So that's a very nice thing. Okay, and Maruti giving all such kinds of things, that's a very nice thing. Okay, so now the fuel is little bit low, so we just keep it off only. Okay, because we want to reach back to the showroom also. Okay, so this is the meter of the vehicle, gives analog and digital display. So there is a small screen and two analog ones. Okay, so looks okay, not very good. Okay, so this is the screen of the vehicle, also gives all the necessary information, all whatever you require as per your need and convenience. Okay, here you have the automatic climate control also which they have provided. It's very nice thing. Okay, you can adjust it for two different things. Okay, so you can split it. Okay, then over here you have one hazard parking light system also. It's a very nice thing. And here you have the gear shifter. It says parking, reverse, neutral, drive and manual. Okay, so along with the manual mode you can use this pedal shifter. Okay, so there's one wireless charging also over here, USB type R, okay, type B, and here you have one 12-volt charging socket as well. Okay, over here you have this soft touch material also which on the dash, so that's a very nice thing. Then on the doors over here you have all this silver finish also which they have given, little bit of piano black on the AC vents. Okay, so looks actually quite nice. Okay, it feels quite airy also. Then these are the seats of the vehicle. These are all like leather which they have provided, fake leather. Then you have this sunroof controls, along with that you have some light controls also. Okay, that's a very nice thing. Okay, so you can open the sunroof. Yeah, so if you press that we can open the sunroof curtain. Okay, but we'll not open it, we'll just keep it closed only. Yeah, because it's too hot outside. So it's a very big panoramic massive sunroof. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Then over here you have the sun blind along with mirror and light placement which is in halogen. Sun blind along with mirror and light placement along with halogen. That's a very nice thing. Then you have this auto dimming IRVM also which they have provided, so that looks actually quite nice. Okay, then you have one armrest also which they have provided. Okay, and this is not like some storage thing, you can but adjust it front and forward. Okay, no electric hand brake, just manually operated hand brake which they have given. Okay, so little bit of disappointing things. Now they have provided this interior and all which looks actually quite nice, but only concern over here is they are missing a lot of features. Okay, but of course it's a Maruti, you can expect a lot also, because whatever comes from Japan they have to follow, and then first India gets it and then you get it for all the other GCC markets as well. Okay, so this is the premium interior of the vehicle also. Let's get in the rear of the vehicle and see what is available by Maruti to you. Okay guys, so let's get in the rear of the vehicle also. So I have opened the tailgate. Yes, so this is the rear seating. Okay, looks very nice, very comfortable. People will be able to sit. We start from this door over here. So this is the door of the vehicle, all hard plastics. Then you have this glossy black over here. Then you have this window roll up and down. Then you have chrome, this silver finish, bottle holder over here. There is one speaker placement, so that's a very nice thing. Space should be enough for me to get inside. Yeah, so space also is quite nice. Okay, door also feels actually quite nice because the quality of materials is very nice over here. Okay, you have one rear AC blower also which can be adjustable. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. You have two power outlets also, so good. So Maruti is giving something good for you. Okay, then you have all these three headrests which they have given, okay, and split into, so that's a very nice thing. You have the quarter panel also, looks very nice. Then you have one armrest also over here, but right now I won't be able to open it because there is all these plastics and also I'll have to tear that plastics off, so very sorry about it. But armrest is also available. Door quality also looks very premium. Nothing much to show behind, but one thing is that you have this massive panoramic sunroof which they have provided. Okay, little bit if they had prodded till here now, then it would be a very big, massive sunroof for you. Okay, that would look very nice. Okay, along with that you have one grab handle over here. You have one light placement also on and off, but they are all in halogen. Okay, so both the sides they have provided. So this was the rear seating, guys. Let's get in the rear of the vehicle also and see what is offered to you by Maruti. Okay guys, so let's get in the rear of the vehicle also. So from the rear it looks very nice actually, quite macho and bold design. Okay, so here you have the Suzuki logo, Grand Vitara written over here. Okay, number plate housing. Okay, then these are the connected tail lights. So recent trend, connected tail lamps. Okay, for all the SUVs, it's a very nice thing, and it's a mild hybrid technology vehicle also, so that's a very nice thing. Okay, here you have the sensors 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 sensors. Here you have one diffuser also which they have provided, and that too in silver. Okay, so the vehicle is white, diffuser is in silver, so that's a very nice thing. So good combo. Over here you have the turn indicator. Along with that there will be a reversing light. Okay, so this whole thing, the whole panel is actually only for the rear tail lamps. Okay, here you have one wiper also which they have given. There will be a washer also somewhere down. Yeah, here there will be a, there is a washer. Stoplight is there. Then there is a spoiler, piano black. Then you have all these lines. Okay, so these are called as the defoggers. So defoggers also they have provided. Okay, and there will be one camera also. Okay, so there is one nice camera also which they have provided. Okay, so for your reversing, let's open it now. Okay, and it's not an electronic tailgate. Okay, you have to open it manually only, so that you will not get from Maruti. Okay, so this is the boot space of the vehicle, quite a decent amount of boot space, so looks very nice actually. Here you have one booklets and all the documentation. Here there is one rear light also. Along with that there is a 12-volt charging socket as well which they have provided. Very nice. Little bit of storage space over here. Okay, then you have the rear tire and all for all the spares. Okay, so looks very nice actually. And you have one parcel tray also. Okay, so parcel tray also is there. So Maruti is giving all these things very nice. Okay, and you will get it mostly in the full option vehicles only. You will not get any smaller kind of vehicles. Okay, so this is the rear tailgate, but no electric sensors. Okay, to close it down, and it's a very hard one. I don't know, is it like this only or something like that? So, not very sure. It takes a lot of effort also. Yeah, and that's when the thing also closed down as well. Okay guys, so let's go for a very short test drive also. First time driving a Maruti in Dubai. Okay, in India we always drive a Maruti. Even my dad owns a Maruti. So let's see what's the drive quality, how the feel is. Okay, so we're driving in 50 degrees now, so hope we'll reach. Okay, because the fuel also is less, let's hope. Okay, and here I was showing you, this is the 360-degree camera also. If I can just show it to you. Yeah, not 360, this is the heads up display which is there. That's a very nice thing. And if I show you, then there is a 360-degree camera also which they have given. Okay, so let's start driving the vehicle now. Okay, I put it in drive. There are pedal shifters also. Yeah, and let's go now. Yeah, first impression, you know, you can actually feel the gears also which are going. Okay, and the horn also which I have honked is actually just like a Maruti, just how we do it in India, right? The same way. Steering wheel also is very light, feels really nice actually. Okay, only thing is that it's quite sunny and hot outside, so little bit of pasina. Okay, so very nice thing. Lower RPMs, it feels quite nice and good because it has a mild hybrid system also which they have provided. Okay, so I hope there is no one coming. Yeah, initially if you see, then it takes a lot of time to pick it up, doesn't like really pick up that fast also. Okay, so initial throttle response should have been little bit better. Okay, but not so good. Okay, now even it's changing the gears, and I have kept it on the automatic mode only, not using the pedal shifters also. Okay, but gear display also is not available over here. Yeah, but drive quality, yes, just like how a Maruti drives, the same way it actually feels over here. Okay, and I don't know why this IRVM is not adjusting. Okay, so feels actually quite nice to drive. Okay, along with that it got pedal shifters also. Yeah, so I'm using the pedal shifters now, so let's see how it drives on the pedal shifters. Lot of noise from the engine. okay, which shouldn't have come out because these are Japanese cars, and Japanese cars making such amount of noise is actually not very good. But still, okay, let's go ahead now. Lot of traffic also this time because it's the lunch time and we have come over here. You can actually feel the shifts which are going, okay, the revs. Okay, now I'll give yeah, so when you're shifting it, you can actually feel it. Okay, even the engine also makes a little bit of noise. And talking about the seating and all, very comfortable. Okay, just like how a Maruti is, because I have driven a lot of Marutis right from my driving school till my dad's car. Okay, so very nice quality of drive as always by a Maruti. Guys, so that was it for today's vlog. I hope you like the Grand Vitara. This is basically an Indian manufactured car, only 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Okay, price it will go around like 100,000 to 110,000 depending upon the year, the model. Okay, so very nice car also to drive as well. Okay, so that's a very nice thing, but misses out on a lot of features now. It's 2025 Maruti. In India we can expect such kind of features, but in UAE for the GCC market, definitely not worth it. Okay, so you can decide whether you want to buy or no. Okay, up to you how you want to manage it. But please like, subscribe, and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Otherwise, you will not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next upcoming